Okay, good morning children. My name is B. Ravinder Reddy. So I am your chemistry mentor. We are what at states of matter. In that states of matter we discussed what up to lecture number 6 we discussed what Charles law. We completed what up to Charles law we completed. Next we are going to discuss about what problems which are present in that what Charles law which are related to Charles law. Now let me see the first problem. So, a gas is at 300 Kelvin is compressed to reduce its volume to half of its volume. At what temperature will it become double of its initial volume? Gas is present at what 300 Kelvin. Gas is present at what 300 Kelvin. 300 Kelvin means what T1 is equal to 300 Kelvin you can take. Is compressed to reduce its volume to half. If V1 is equal to V, then V2 is equal to what V by 2. At what temperature will it become double of its initial volume? So T2 is equal to what we can find. T2 is equal to what we can find. So T1 is what 300 Kelvin V. So according to the Charles law, V is what we have what V is proportional to T. So that's why V1 by V2 is equal to what T1 by T2. V1 is how much? V1 is V2 is what V by 2 is equal to what T1 is how much? T1 is 300 Kelvin, T2 is what we should find out. Okay, so what we will get this V get cancelled, 2 will goes to the upside. So 2 is equal to what 300 by x. So x is equal to what 300 by 2. So x is equal to what 150 degree Kelvin. X is equal to what 150 degree Kelvin. That means what final temperature is how much 150 degree Kelvin. 150 degree Kelvin. So, in 12th problem, on a ship sailing in Pacific Ocean where temperature is 23.4 degrees centigrade. Temperature is how much? 23.4 degrees centigrade. So that's why T1 is equal to what we can write to 23.4 degrees centigrade. Next, so that's why it should be converted into what? Capital T1. In order to convert capital T1, we will add what? 273 plus 23.4. How much you will get 0.4? 3 plus 3 6 to 296.4 degree Kelvin. A balloon is filled with 2 liters of air. So V1 is equal to what? 2 liters. What was the volume of balloon when the ship reaches the Indian Ocean? Here temperature must be present. What will be the volume of balloon when it reaches to the Indian Ocean? At Indian Ocean temperature is 26.1 degree centigrade. 26.1 degree centigrade. So now T2, that is small T2 is given. So T2 is equal to how much? 26.1. Capital T2 is equal to, we will add what 273 plus 26.1. So 0.1, 6 plus 3, 9. Next 2 plus 7, 9. 299.1. 299.1. This is the what about the temperature. So 299.1. Then what we have relation? So V is proportional to T we have. So that's why V1 by V2 is equal to T1 by T2. V1 is how much? 2 liters. V2 is how much? We should find out. T1 is how much? 296.4. T2 is how much? 299.1. 299.1. Then x will comes to this side 299. So 2 into 299.1 divided by this will comes to this side. So that's why it goes to water divide. So 296.4. So how much we will get x value? We will get as what? 2.01842 liters. 2.01842 liters. If you divide this one, so you will get this answer. So this is the what about the problem. So next one, at what temperature the volume of given amount of gas at 25 degrees centigrade becomes twice when pressure is kept constant. So P is constant. At what temperature the volume of given gas at 25 degrees centigrade? So T1 is equal to what? 25 plus 273. How much we will get? So 5 plus 3, 8, 2 plus 9, 298 we will get. Then V1 is equal to what? V. T2 is equal to what? We should find out. At what temperature? Then V2 is equal to what? Volume is doubled, 2V. So how much we will get? We have what? TV relation at constant pressure. V is proportional to T. So that's why V1 by V2 is equal to what we can take? T1 by T2 we can take. V1 is how much? V. V2 is how much? 2V. T1 is how much? 298. T2 is how much? Calculate. We should calculate X. V get cancelled. X will comes to this side. So 2 into 298. 2 into 298 is how much? 596. 596 degree Kelvin. If it is asked in degree centigrade, what we will do? What we will do? So 596 minus 273. So 6 minus 3, 3, 9 minus 2, 7. So 5 minus 2, 3. So 323 degree centigrade. 323 degree centigrade or 596 degree Kelvin. Next, an open vessel contains air at 27 degrees centigrade. To what temperature it must be heated to expel 1/4 of the air? 1/4 of the air. So open vessel. This is the what. Let you take what an open vessel is there. Here what gas is present. If you are heated it, what will happen? Some of the gas is expelled out. Expelled out. How much gas is expelled out? 1/4 of the gas is expelled out. 1/4 of the gas is expelled out. So 1/4 of the gas is expelled out. How much gas is present here? 1 minus 1/4 is equal to what? 3/4 of the gas is present here. So now let me take what? If you take what initial number of moles as 1, so 1/4 moles are expelled. So that's why 3/4 are what remained. So at what? 27 degrees centigrade. So T1 is equal to 27 plus 273 is equal to what? 300. At what to what temperature? T2 is equal to, we should find out. So N1 is equal to what we can take? 1 mole. N2 is equal to how much? 3/4 of the gas is present. So the gas which is present in the vessel while we are heating, gas is expelled out. So that's why the gas which is present in the vessel is what? Decreases. So that's why T is inversely proportional to N. Number of moles are decreases while T is increasing. While temperature is increasing, number of moles are decreases. Number of moles are what? Decreases. So that's why inverse relation. So T1 by T2 is equal to what we can write? N2 by N1. T1 is how much? N1 T1 is equal to N2 T2 we can write. N2 T2 we can write. N1 is how much? 1. T1 is how much? 300. N2 is how much? 3/4. T2 is equal to what? We should find out that is what? X. So how we will get X? So the 300, if what 3/4 comes to this side, it will be what? 4/3 is equal to what? X. So 300 so X is equal to what? 400 degree Kelvin. 400 degree Kelvin. If you want to in degree centigrade, what we will do? We want to subtract 273. So capital T is equal to small t plus 273. Capital T is equal to 400. So T plus 273. So now 273 this sent to this side. 400 minus 273 is equal to small t. Now what we will get? How much we will get? So we will get as what? 127 degree centigrade. 127 degree centigrade. So this is the what about the problem, which is what that is solution for that given problem. Next one, let you take what another problem. So 15th problem. What is this problem? A flask having a volume of 250 ml and containing air is heated to 100 degree centigrade and sealed. It is heated to what? 100 degree centigrade and sealed. Then the flask is cooled to 25 degree centigrade. 100 to 25 degree centigrade. Immersed in water. While cooling, we are what? Immersed in water. So when we are what cooling, volume is decreases. How much volume is decreases? Such that that volume of water is what enters into the bottle. And opened that volume of water will be drawn back into the flask. Assuming P constant, and that means what? Calculate what volume of what water we should calculate. So flask is present at what? V1 is equal to what? 250 ml. Containing air is heated to 100 degree centigrade. T1 is equal to what? 100 degree centigrade. So 100 plus 273 is equal to 373. And sealed, then the flask is cooled to 25 degree centigrade. So T1 is equal to what? 25 plus 273. We will get as what? 298. Next one, V2 is equal to, first we should find out. V2 is equal to, we find out. What we have relation? V is proportional to T. So V1 by V2 is equal to what? T1 by T2. V1 is how much? 250 ml. V2 is how much? We should calculate X. So T1 is how much? T1 is equal to what? This is T2. T1 is equal to what? 373. So T2 is equal to what? 298. Then X will goes to here. X is equal to 250 into 298 will comes to here, and 373 will goes to divide. So 373. So how much we will get? X is equal to 250 into 298 divided by 373. We will get as what? 199.73 ml. Milliliters we got. 199.73 milliliters we got. What is the volume of the vessel flask? 250 ml. 250 ml. Gas is how much? 199.73. Remaining is what? Air will, that means what? Water will goes and occupies the remaining space. So remaining space, what? Water drawn back. Water volume is equal to flask volume minus, so volume of the gas. Flask volume is how much? 250 ml minus volume is how much? 199.73. so such that how much we will get? 50.27 milliliters we will get. So this is the what about the solution for given problem. Next problem, the volume expansibility of the gas under constant pressure is 0.037. This is nothing but 1 by 273. So V0 by 273 you can take. Calculates its volume at minus 100 degrees centigrade. If its volume at 100 degrees centigrade is 685 cc. So temperature, what is this, what volumes and what degree centigrades are given. So that's why directly we can use what degree centigrade principle. That is what Vt is equal to V0 into 1 plus T by 273. So at 100 degree centigrade is given. 100 degree centigrade, what is the volume? 685. V0 is how much? We should find out. 1 plus T is how much? 100 degree centigrade divided by 273. So now this will what? 273 plus 100, 685 is equal to what? V0 into 273 plus 100 divided by what? 273. So how much we will get? So V0 is equal, 273 will comes to this side, 685 into 273 divided by what? 273 plus 100, 373. So if you are what? Multiplied, you will get as what? V0 500 cc. How much you will get? 500 cc, 500 cubic centimeters you will get. 500 cc you got V0. Then Y is asked what? Volume at 100 degrees centigrade. Calculate its volume at minus 100 degrees centigrade. Calculate its volume at what? Minus 100 degrees centigrade. You got what? V0 value by taking up same principle. So Vt is equal to what? V0 into 1 plus T by 273. So Vt is what? Volume we should find out. So V0 is equal to what? How much we got? 500 into 1 plus T is how much? Minus 100 degrees centigrade divided by what? 273. So how much we will get? So Vt is equal to, that means what? At 0 degree centigrade, on minus 100 degree centigrade is equal 500 into 273 will comes to here, 273 minus 100 divided by what? 273. So Vt is equal to 500. 273 minus 100 is what? 173 divided by what? 273. So Vt is equal to what we will get? 500 into 173 into 1 by 273 is what? 0.037. So volume at minus 100 degree centigrade is equal to, volume at minus 100 degree centigrade is equal to, you will get as, if you multiply this one, 315 centimeter cube. 315 volume you will get as what? This much of volume. If degree centigrades are given, you can directly what? Directly what? Substitute in this principle. If not, we go through what? So our principle V is proportional to T also we can solve. In terms of Charles' law, explain why minus 273 degrees centigrade is the lowest possible temperature. Lowest possible temperature. Charles' law is related to what? Does gases or liquids? Charles' law belongs to gases only. Gases only. So when we are reaches what? Minus 273.15 degrees centigrade before reaching, or at least what? Minus 273.15 degrees centigrade, all the gases are converted into what? Liquids, or some of the gases are converted into what? Solids also. So that means what? Below of minus 273.15 degrees centigrade, no one gas is present in gaseous state. No one gas is present in gaseous state. Our Charles law is related to what? Gases. So that's why this is the what? Lowest possible temperature for the Charles law. Lowest possible temperature for the Charles law, because Charles law is applicable for gases. So at what? Minus 273.15 degrees centigrade, no one gas is present in the liquid gaseous state. So that's why below of this one we can't apply the Charles law. So that's why this is the what? Least possible temperature. Least possible temperature. Now next let one. A sample of gas is found to occupy a volume of 900 cc at 27 degrees centigrade. Volume of gas occupies at what? So 900 cc at what? 27 degrees centigrade. So V1 is equal to what? 900 cc. Then T1 is equal to what? 27 plus 273. 27 plus 273. So 300, nothing but. So now the temperature of which will occupy a volume of 300 cc. So V2 is equal to what? 300 cc. Then what you should find out? What? T2. What we have principle? V is proportional to T at constant pressure. V is proportional to T at constant pressure. So V1 by V2 is equal to what we can write? T1 by T2 we can write. V1 is how much? 900. V2 is how much? 300. T1 is how much? What? 300. So T2 is how much? We should find out. So X is equal to what? 1 we are getting. What we are getting? 1 we are getting. So X is equal to what we can write? This 300 will goes to here. 300 into 300. This 900 will comes to here. 900. So 300 into 300 is equal to what? 390000 2 zeros 2 zeros divided by 900. So zeros zeros 9 ones cancel. So that's why we will get 1. So X is equal to what we got? 100 degree Kelvin. If you want to in degree centigrade, so capital T is equal to small t plus 273, capital T is 100 is equal to small t plus 273. If 273 is sent to this side, you will get minus 173 degree centigrade. Minus 173. That means what? If you want in degree centigrade, this one. If you want in degree Kelvin, this one. Depending upon the options, we can what? Select. Next one, let me take what? Another principle. If desired to increase, it is desired to increase the volume of 80 cc of a gas by 20% without changing pressure. To what temperature of the gas is heated? Its initial temperature is 25. So T1 is equal to what is given? 25. So 25 plus 273. Next T2 we should what? Find out. V1 is equal to what? 80. V2 is equal to what? 20% should be increased. So 80 plus 80 into 20 by 100. 20% increases. So that's why how much you will get? 80 plus 8 to just 16. So 96 ml. Then so what we have principle? V is proportional to T at constant pressure. V is proportional to T. So V is proportional to T. V1 by V2 is equal to T1 by T2 we can write. So V1 is how much? V1 is how much? V1 is what? 80. V2 is what? 96. T1 is what? 25 plus 273, 298. Then what? T2. So T2 is equal to, this will goes to here, 298 into 96 divided by 80 will comes to here, 80. So how much we will get? So 357.6 degree Kelvin we got. In order to convert into what? Degree centigrade, minus what? 273 este, you will get as 83.4 degree centigrade you will get. So these are the what about the problems. Okay children, now I will what? Pause the video. So you can take screenshots and from that you can make notes. Okay children, you take what? Screenshots and from those screenshots you can make notes. Write clearly.